Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have an entry-level Samsung Galaxy smartphone, the humble and cheerful Galaxy A15 5G. So this is a Galaxy A smartphone. I believe I'm just making this up. I believe that the A for the A series is affordable. You have the A05, A06, and then this A15, and then it rises up to A25, A35, A55, and this is a brand new one for 2024. This is your entry level Galaxy A series device, and you can see it looks nice actually until you open it up. The back cover is not made up of glass, it's plastic, but plastic is flexible, and you can see there it's low risk when you try to open up the device. We can still reuse that adhesive strips, and we have sourced the correct screen for this model. Is also very affordable replacement displays. And now we're gonna disassemble everything. So when you replace the display, you have to remove the side covers, so there's no main housing. Because this is an entry-level device, you can see the back cover is plastic, the housing around it is also plastic, so you can pry it off from the sides here after removing SIM card tray, of course, and then slowly work your way around. So it's just held on by clips. There's no adhesives here. It's quite tight, but I think Samsung has done a good job by designing their entry-level smartphones, just like how the S24s look like. You can see there's a fingerprint scanner at the sides and the power button, and it looks amazing, to be honest. The only thing that's different, of course, is the SoC, the CPU, the performance, and of course the features of the A series compared to your S series. But overall, when you hold it into your hand, you can, and if you look far away, it looks like a flagship smartphone. But in my personal experience, the A series smartphones is quite slow. It's not snappy, but it's got great screens now. It's got great battery, and they're cheaper to fix. You can see here, we are now gonna test this replacement display to see if it's even working. We have attached it, and we're gonna reattach the power button to power on the main board. Man, it snapped. You can try that again. And of course, the Samsung Galaxy expert has done a great job making this work. So this technically working. This is good news, but we are not gonna stop right here. We're gonna continue. We're gonna finish this job, properly shut this phone down, and it can't be shut down if you don't have the passcode. Great. Just gonna take them apart. Okay, just remove the display, move the power button, and we're gonna remove some components, of course, because we are gonna transfer them into the new display / housing. Detach this connector. The antenna cable is attaching the main board and the daughter board together. It's quite funny. So this is the replacement display. First, we're gonna reinstall the two boards. They're there, just dangling together. I'm gonna push them in. There's some screws holding them down. There's some specific screws, but yeah, one screw is enough. Then we're going to focus our attention to the battery. Haven't removed that yet from the old display. I'm gonna use super strength for this one, and David has that super strength to remove the battery. We're gonna reuse the adhesive still sticky. I'm gonna pull it out. There you go. Next up is you just put it right back into the new display. You also have some miscellaneous parts. You have this adhesive strip for the main LCD connector. There you go. You can transfer it. It's not necessary, but David is very meticulous when it comes to the overall repair experience. So it has to be done right. That's why he's the expert. So if you have an A15 and you're still asking if it's still worth it to have it fixed, buy a couple of $100 parts, I think it's still worth it. If you have important data inside the smartphone, buying a new phone will not solve it. If you can just replace the display and then retain whatever photos you have taken with this device, then that would be awesome. You're saving actually a few $100, and you're saving the environment by not putting in e-waste into the landfill. We're just gonna close this up. It's quite simple. It's an A15, so it's affordable and cheerful. It's gonna live on for years. That's still working. I'm gonna close this up. The back cover is back on and it's working. You can see there. Let's test the features and give it back to our client. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. And hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. This is the before and after. And we'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.